If your dishwasher smells bad, leaves food on your dishes, or just doesn't clean the way it used to, this is probably the reason. Most people don't even realize their dishwasher has a drain filter that needs to be cleaned. And if you've never touched it, all the food from every wash just builds up right here. This is the filter and drain area at the bottom of the dishwasher. Over time, grease, rice, pasta, meat scraps, all of it gets trapped inside. When that happens, dirty water can get reused during the wash, and that's when you start getting bad smells and dishes that never feel fully clean. The good part is, cleaning it is really simple. You just twist the filter to unlock it, lift it out, and take the pieces apart. There's usually a mesh screen and the main filter underneath. Rinse everything under warm water and gently scrub off any buildup. Once it's clean, put everything back together, drop it back into place and twist it until it locks. And that's it. This is something you should be doing about once a month, especially if you don't pre-rinse your dishes. It takes maybe 2 minutes, but it makes a huge difference in how clean your dishes come out and how your dishwasher smells. If you've got a dishwasher like this and you've never cleaned the filter, trust me, check it today.